All right, the score is 9-8 in favor of the guys. Ladies, if you miss this, the game is theirs. Pick your category.
It's our relative!
You don't have to shout everything.
I'm sorry!
Ooh. What is the name of Chandler's father's Las Vegas all-male burlesque?
Viva Las Vegas!
Unfortunately, that is correct.
Yes!
All right, we have a tie. Luckily, I have prepared for such an event. The lightning round! 30 seconds, all the questions you can answer.
You guys are dead! I am so good at lightning rounds!
I majored in lightning rounds. All right? We're gonna destroy you.
I want to bet?
I'm so confused as to what we've been doing so far.
How about we play for more money? Say 150?
$150.
Say 200?
$200.
You're doing it again?
Excuse me.
Monica, I don't want to lose $200.
We won't. 300?
Monica!
I'm just trying to spice it up. Okay, so then play for some pepper. Stop spending my money. I got it. How about if we win, they have to get rid of the rooster? Ooh, that's interesting.
Hey, no way. That rooster's family.
Throw in the duck, too.
What do you have against the duck? He doesn't make any noise.
Well, he gets the other one all riled up.
Look, we are not...
All right, hold on. If you win, we give up the bird.
Ah!
But if we win, we get your apartment.
Ooh.
Deal!
Monica, betting the apartment? I don't know about this.
Rachel, I have not missed one question the whole game. I own this game. Look at my hand.
Why, do you have the answers written on there?
No, steady as a rock. Now, are you with me?
All right, let's do it.
Come on.
Okay.
All right, gentlemen, you're up first.
Okay.
You have 30 seconds. The lightning round begins. Stop it. Now, what was Monica's nickname when she was a field hockey goalie?
Big fat goalie.
Correct. Rachel claims this is her favorite movie.
Dangerous Liaisons.
Correct. Her actual favorite movie is...
Weekend at Bernie's.
Correct. In what part of her body did Monica get a pencil stuck at age 14?
Oh!
You know! Her ear! All right, Monica categorizes her towels. How many categories are there?
Everyday use.
Fancy.
Guest.
Fancy guest.
2 seconds.
11.
11. Unbelievable. 11 is correct. All right. That's 4 for the guys. Ladies, you're up.
All right, come on.
30 seconds on the clock. 5 correct questions wins the game. The lightning round begins now. What is Joey's favorite food?
Sandwiches.
Correct. Chandler was how old when he first touched a girl's breast?
14?
No, 19.
Thanks, man.
Joey had an imaginary childhood friend. His name was...
Maurice.
Correct. His profession was...
Oh, Space Cowboy.
Correct. What is Chandler Bing's job?
Oh, gosh. This has something to do with numbers.
In processing.
Well, yeah, and he carries a briefcase.
10 seconds. You need this or you lose the game.
It's